Moment of truth. Well, it's quite underwhelming. GoPro stopped recording. Alright, so the battery was dead. Bad. I pulled it off the charger 2 hours before, and it was reading 7 volts disconnected and about 6 volts, or was it 4.5 connected. So it was bad. I've just dropped $200 on a new battery, and gonna give it a go. Gonna put some gas in. Alright, let's try it again. Let's do it. Alright, solid first start. Let's try it again. Oh, why are we dying? What is that noise? Nothing's leaking. Alright, I'm gonna let it idle a bit, but thanks for coming along on this journey. I'm really stoked right now. Let's see what the tapping noise is later. Alright, GoPro, stop recording.